Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. Ito po si Marilyn, your friendly Filipina carpentera na nagsumasumamo. Tama ba yun? Please watch my videos. Ang hirap kayang maggawa ng content, guys. Tapos walang nanonood. Joke. So, binigyan kami ng bagong deadline ng HOA. What? Yeah, I got the Coke. Holly!
Here's here.
1 second. As what I was saying, binigyan kami ng bagong deadline ng ating HOA instead of the end of February. Binigyan nila na okay, end of March because of the weather. Problema lang is this line here, ito, tatanggalin yan, tapos i-transfer yan doon. What? 1 second.
You need to get that.
Yeah, I will. Tapos, itong barrier ng asphalto ay i-move dyan. So, it would be like a bigger, coverage of the cement. Asphalto cement, yung namin gagawin namin. Tapos, sabi ni, hi, how are you? Very good, thank you. Thank you so much. You're welcome to see our house. Thank you. Yeah, you can come in if you like. Actually, we already have a certificate to move in there, but I don't know. He doesn't have a plan yet. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna bake cookies sometime, and then you guys can visit us.
Okay.
You guys take care. Bye. So, ito. Tapos, itong lahat na pebbles na ito ay tatanggalin yan. Dapat sad lang daw or dumi lang daw ng mga ganito yung maiwan. Dami talaga nilang chichiburichi, guys. So, yan. Tatanggalin yan. At doon. Papunta doon. Tapos, paano kami deadline is end of this month, March. Paano ka makakapur ng cement is dapat yung semento ang temperature ay 40 degrees or up Fahrenheit. Most of the time napakalamig. Tapos kung hindi naman malamig, mainit, umuulan. Dapat pag nag-pour ka ng cement, dapat straight na 3 days, walang ulan.
He's got one more thing to do with it, so I wouldn't run it.
What's the next thing to do?
It's just a little thing downstairs. It's not much, but
okay.
it's.
So that's a connection for the microwave?
Yeah, it just plugs in up there.
Yeah, so it's working now?
Huh?
Can we try to put metal in it and then...
Oh my God.
Joke.
What?
You know that pad that we got?
Hopefully it'll straighten up a little bit more. It probably will. Hopefully it'll straighten up a little bit more.
Oh, okay.
But the idea is here.
So it would be easy to pull out?
Yeah, hopefully it'll. But the idea is so when you're doing this,
Yeah.
you're not. It's protecting the carpet to do this.
Correct, yeah.
It should be fine once I'm using it.
Next step is bring your computer here.
It'll be fun to do this.
You should be facing the road.
That'd be too much. It'll be too much distraction.
Distraction, nobody is walking on the road. They would be wondering, like, why are you turning your back away from them?
Because there's not really a good place to put it there.
Kasi nahihiya siya na to face people on the road. So, yun. Nagkatalikod siya. Ito talagang
It
asawa ko.
doesn't fit over there. But,
I was thinking that you will put your desk here and then your office chair there, and then so you would be facing that way.
no.
And then if you're ashamed, then we can put like
Well, that
some
can always
drapes
be
in
moved
there.
over.
Huh?
That can always be moved over.
Do you like to try?
Up there. No, I don't want to try it. No.
Yan pang bathroom. This is our bathroom thingy. But we decided to put it there. Hello, bathroom.
Where's my
You're still okay. Why do we have so many rugs all over the place?
That's for these.
is yours? C2? Oh, this is the Werner's.
C2. What's C2?
I thought, because in the Philippines we have a C2. A
Okay.
C2 drink. Okay, I would need a liner so I can put everything down in here.
You got your
But first, I need to wash my. Huh?
But I need to go soon, so I'm just gonna shoot the gun a few times.
Don't leave me. Don't destroy your house.
No, I'm gonna try to hit the sign.
Hmm?
I missed it. Got it.
Look. This is how you do it.
Oh, you turn it around.
Yeah, I think this would work. Yes.
But you got.
I just have to find a stud. Are you coming back?
You said I didn't have to come back and get you.
Well, can you come back though?
I don't want to do it a third time.
Man!
3 hours of driving. I don't wanna do
Okay,
that.
love ya.
I'll go to your.
Drive safe, please text me when you're home.
Alright, I'll go see Tim first.
Okay.
You want all these lights on still?
Yeah, you know I love lights. I like it bright.
Where's the key? Okay,
Love you. Drive safe.
Will do.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, goodbye.
Yung asawa ko, uuwi na siya sa kabilang bahay. So, separate muna kami ngayon. Siya doon sa kabilang bahay, ako dito sa bagong bahay. Oh my gosh, ako na naman mag-isa dito. Oh, bakit ka nahiwalay? Bakit ka mahiwalay sa akin? Kasi guys, yung mga pusa namin ay kailangan talagang intindihin. O saan ka makakakita ng mga pusa na iniintindi talaga. But yeah, yung kapitbahay namin kanina dyan sa kabila, sabi niya, kailan kayo mag-transfer dito? Sabi ko, wala pa talagang plano itong asawa ko. So, ang answer is, kahit na walang nagtatanong, hindi ko alam kung kailan kami lilipat dito. For those who are always watching me, I really thank you so much. Yung mga ilang mga feeling ko na tunay kong mga kaibigan na palaging sumusuporta sa akin by watching my videos. Salamat talaga sa inyo. I could not name you all, but you know, the Lord knows who we are, and I'm always praying that the Lord will bless you and keep you. So yun. Ang gagawin natin ngayon, gusto ko sanang i-install ito. Ito ba? Yan. No, ito yung lalagyan ng mga kutsara, mga blah blah blah, para madali lang siyang ilagay dito pagkatapos hugasan. Yan. Gusto ko sana install na dito sa ating wall. Tapos, yun, 4 yung mga lalagyan dito. Kaya lang problema is, hindi ko makita yung stud finder ni Dance. But anyway, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nabili ko na mga gamit dito, additional gamit sa kitchen. Tapos sabi ni Corey, bili ka na naman. What can we do? It's very important. Pag may bago tayong bahay, dapat may mga kagamitan din tayo dito sa bahay, diba? But this time, guys, promise, ay hindi talaga mahal yung nabili ko, okay? Mga kagamitan lang na ating ginagamit araw-araw dito sa ating bagong bahay. So, stay tuned. Hope manood kayo hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggang. Hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggang. Joke. Please stay tuned. Alright, nandito na yung mga hirimintados natin. Hirimintados talaga na binili ko dapat para dito sa ating kusina. And eto na. Bumili ako ng bagong sheet ng panel of drapes para sa ating dito at saka para sa ating curtain doon sa ating bathtub. May na siya di ba yung bathtub natin ay linagyan ko na ng tinting para hindi tayo Oh, I nipped it. Sorry. Naku, nagunting ko yung kurtinang bago-bago. Ba yan? Ay, Marilyn, be careful. Teka lang, concentrate muna tayo dito. Baka pati kamay ko ay magunting ko. Na-damage ko yung bagong kurtina. Buti na lang hindi naman masyadong malaki yung damage. But ito po yung mga kurtina na binili ko. Yan. Yan. Ay, isa lang palang panel. Yung ano niya. Kala ko dalawa sila. Bakit? So, isa lang pala. Anyway, saan ko ba ito gagamitin? Ang cute ng ano niya, oh. O, diba? Siguro gagamitin ko yan dito. Para paggabi, kahit na may tinted itong ating bintana, ipaggabi, tapos mas bright itong ating lights dito sa loob, makikita pa rin tayo sa labas. Kasi nga, yun, kahit na tinted, makikita pa rin tayo. So, kailangan kong bumili ng other pair. It doesn't have to be the same. Para lang doon sa ating bathtub. Saan ko ba binili ito? Oh, sa Meijer. Okay. Alright. So, tabi lang natin ang ating mga basura. Tapos, ito, I always save this one plastic para din sa ating mga basura. Alam niyo ba niya, yung plastic ay nakakasira yan sa ating environment. Kaya kailangan nating i-save kung anong na-save, tapos wag nating sunugin. Ito din, plastic ito, pero ay, dapat ay wag natin sunugin yung mga plastics. Alright, ito, napakita ko na ito. So, next is ta-da! Wow! Yan! Ito yung suludlan ba? Lagayan. Kita nyo ba? Lagayan. Hindi ko makita kayo sa video kasi hindi ko nadala yung antipara ko. Tapos yung aking camera ay medyo malayo. So, hindi ko talaga na makita kung na makikita ba ito sa video. But, iangat ko na lang yan. Ito yung lagayan ng ating asin. At syempre, before we will use this one, kailangan muna nating hugasan. And then, once again, we're going to save our plastic bags for future use. Yan. So, ito ay para sa asin. Careful tayo kasi glass yan. And then, ito mga bags ay atin to save para for future use. O, diba? Yan. Save din tayo pag may time. Kasi sayang, o, diba? So, ilagay lang natin yan dyan. And then, next is, I'm so excited. Ano pa ba ang nandito? Don't worry guys, hindi ko talaga binili yung buong tindahan, okay? Siyempre, kailangan natin ng spoon rest. Oh, after kang mag-stir, tapos hindi mo pwedeng ilagay kahit saan-saan. So, dito mo na lang ilagay. So, spoon rest po yan. Siyempre, save natin ang another papel. Tapos ito guys, I'm so excited about this. Mahal ito guys. Magkano ba? $7, $8 plus tax. Nasa $10 each to. But, gusto ko yung color. Alam nyo naman, may pagka bluish green. O, diba? Yan yung theme natin dito sa ating bahay. Bumili ako ng dalawa. Dahil alam nyo kung ano ito. Alam nyo kung ano ito. Pag may papasok dito na masamang tao. Joke. Ito ay para sa ating suka. Soy sauce. Suka, soy sauce. Yan. Suka and soy sauce. Lagay natin dyan. Para naman presentable. Kailangan ko palang bumili talaga ng ganito din pero medyo malaki para sa ating oil. Yan, sa ating mantika. As useless. O, mag-save tayo ng mga bags para sa future use. Okay? Especially tayo mga dukha. Ang galing talaga ng in-English ko guys. In-English, Tagalog. Tayong mga dukha ay dapat na-save din tayo. Hindi, mayaman tayo guys. Mayaman tayo in the Lord. Because the Lord has given us with so many stuffs. Including His Son, Jesus. So yun. Ito ay para mayroong malaki, mayroong maliit. So ito, dito ko ilalagay yung ating kanin. Yan. Woot. Okay? Para at least ma-display ko siya ba yung kanin. Pero actually guys, alam nyo, gusto ko talaga na sana na yung kusina ay walang clutter ba. So, ito lahat ay nakatago, blah, blah, blah. Probably in the future. Kasi, di ba mas maaliwalas kung wala kang nakikita na mga chichibureche sa iyong kusina. However, datakwa, ngunit, subalit, kailangan natin kasi pag magluluto tayo ang mantika ay nakatago. Sana ba yung mantika mo? So, kailangan talaga na naka-display sila. Ay, ewan ko. Probably in the future. But for na, kaya bumibili ako ng mga uniform na mga chichibureche containers dito para at least kung i-display natin, di ba kaya kaaya-aya sa ating mata. Yan. Huwag kayong bumili ng plastic, guys, kasi hindi maganda yan sa ating world. Okay, so ito lang siguro yung nabili ko. Yan lang. Yan lang talaga yung nabili ko, and I think I bought everything for. Tingnan natin. Natapon ko na yung everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. Nabili ko siya ng total of 99.13. So, 99.13. 100 is 5,800. So, siguro nasa mga 5,500 ito lahat. Ito lang 5,000. My gosh, guys, ang mahal pa rin. Ano bang maabot ng 5,000 sa atin dyan? 5,500. So sad. But anyway, ililipit ko muna ito. And then, all these, I'm gonna wash. Pwede lang, ilagay ko na lang ito sa aming dishwasher. Kaya lang yung dishwasher hindi pa pwedeng gamitin.